Okay, who's ready for some math? Mrs. Powell was helping to teach you about shapes the last 2 weeks. Now we're going to start learning what makes a shape a shape. Let's get started, okay? Here's my screen with you. It is analyzing and comparing two-dimensional shapes. Now, a two-dimensional shape is a shape that Mrs. Powell was helping to let you guys know is a flat shape. It's flat shapes because they don't have a length and a height and a width. They just have a length and height. So two-dimensional shapes are flat and three-dimensional shapes are solid. Today, we're only talking about flat shapes. Okay, take a look. This is our friend Emily. She wants to figure out what shape is behind the door. There's a surprise shape behind the door. The shape has 4 vertices. Do you know what a vertex is? A vertex is a corner. So take a look. This rectangle has 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Those are called vertices, okay? So those are 4 vertices. How many vertices does this square have? Looks like a diamond, but it's just a square turned sideways. Look, if I turn it like this, what does it look like? Looks like a square. So it's actually just a square turned sideways, like doing a flip. How many vertices does this square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got 4 corners, which are called vertices or a vertex. How many vertices does a triangle have? You count. 3. And how many vertices does the circle have? Oh, I can't find any corners. That's because a circle has no vertices. Okay, so the mystery shape behind the door has 4 vertices. That tells me that I know 2 of them that it might be and 2 of them that it won't be. And it has 4 equal sides. That means each side is the same length. None of the sides are longer and none of the sides are shorter. Look at those shapes. Which shape do you think it will be if it has 4 corners, vertices, and 4 sides that are all the same size? None of them are longer, none of them are shorter. Do you think it will be the circle? No. The circle does not have any corners or sides. It cannot be the circle that's hiding behind the door. Do you think it can be the triangle? No. The triangle only has 3 corners, and it does not have 4 equal sides. It has 1 right here, 1 right here, and 1 right here. That's only 3 sides. We're looking for one that had, I'll write the clues right here, 4 vertices and 4 equal, remember equal means same, sides. Can it be the triangle? No, it cannot because it does not have 4 corners or 4 sides. Can it be the square? How many corners does the square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4. How many sides does the square have? Well, it has 1 right here, 1 right here, 1 right here, and 1 right here. That's 4. That's 4 sides. Are they the same, or are some of them longer or shorter? They look like they're all the same size. They look like they're all equal. Should we circle the square? No. We should check all of the answers before we make our decision. But I am going to put a little dot that helps me remember that I think, and a check mark that helps me remember, I think it's this one. Can it be the rectangle? Does it have 4 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. Does it have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It does have 4 sides, but are all the sides the same? 2 of them are long. This one is long. This one is long. And 2 of them are short. Short, short. It cannot be the rectangle because the rectangle does not have 4 equal sides. So what shape is hiding behind the door? It's the square with the same sides and 4 vertices. I like to circle my vertices. That helps me find the corners. Look! Let's listen to the clues. They already did number 1, so I'll just read the clues for number 1 and you can watch, okay? And then we'll do number 2 together. Number 1 says, I'm looking for a shape that has 4 sides. Okay, well, I see 2 shapes that do not have 4 sides. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has, nope, no sides. It can't be that one. Does this one have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3. Nope. How about this one? Does this one have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Aha. This is the long side, so I'm going to put 2 lines there. See? The ones that have the short line, like this, are the same size. And the ones that have the 2 lines, those are the same size. What about over here? This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. They're all the same size. Well, the next clue says, I do not have 4 sides that are the same. I have sides that are different. Aha. That's why they crossed off the square. They crossed off the square because all of them are the same. Look, they're all the same length. This one did not have ones that were the same length. It had 2 that were long and 2 that were short. Aha. Now we'll do this one. This one doesn't have the answer on it already. The first clue is, I do not have 4 sides. Okay, what should we do? Find the ones that do not have 4 sides. Those are the ones we want to keep. This one has, those are long, and this is short. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do not want one with 4. Not 4. This one is the same as this side. That's the same. And this is the same. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. This one has 3. Oh, we can keep that one. This one has 0. 0 sides. Remember, we're going to cross off the ones that have 4. What about this one? This is the same as this. And actually, they're all the same. That's a square. We don't want anything with 4 sides for this one. Next clue. I do not have 4 sides, and I do not have any vertices. What is a vertex? What is a vertex? If I'm looking for vertices, I'm looking for corners. The shape that we're going to circle has no vertices, no corners. Which one is it? Is it the triangle or the circle? Which one has no vertices? The circle has no corners. It has no vertices. See, the triangle has 3 vertices. That's not our shape. Our shape was the circle. Mystery shapes. Oh my goodness, more mystery shapes. How fun. Okay, more. Okay, ready? Number 3. How can I cover this up? Here we go. So that we're only looking at these shapes. Number 3. I am not round. Okay. Do you see one that's round? Choose the one that is round. We're going to put an X on the one that is round. Oh, that one. Thank you. The circle is round. I am not round. Okay, number 2. Let's keep going. I have less than 4 sides. Not 4, less than 4. A number that is smaller than 4. Let's count the sides. None of these sides look the same, actually. This one is the smallest. This one is the second longest. And this one is the third longest. Oh, that one has 1, 2, 3 sides. This one has 3 sides. This one, oh, all of these look the same size. This one has 4 sides. This one has 2 shorts and 2 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. The clue said less than 4 sides, not 4. 4 is too many. Do you see a shape that has less than 4 sides? The triangle has only 3 sides. The square and the rectangle had too many sides. This is fun. Let's do the next one. Number 4. I am not a rectangle. Which one's a rectangle? Is it this one? Is it that one? How about this one? How about that one? You said it. It was the first one. We know that the rectangle has 4 sides, 2 short sides, and 2 long sides, right? And we want the one that is not a rectangle. And this one, I'm going to put an R on it because it's for a rectangle. And so that's the wrong one. We do not want the rectangle. What's this one? Squa for square, right? And a tur for triangle, and a sounds like an S. I'm going to give you a secret. Circle is spelled like this with a C. Look at how silly this is. Circle with a C. So I'm going to put a C on it right here. C for circle. Okay. So number 1 said not a rectangle. And then it says I have 0 sides. Okay, well, we know it's not a rectangle. It's either a square, a triangle, or a circle. Which one has 0 sides? That means it has no straight lines. This one has 4 straight lines. Cannot be a square. This one, oh, these are the same length, nice and long. This one looks like it's the same length too. Can't be that one. No straight lines. Has to be the circle. Last one on this page. Ready? Here we go. I have 4 vertices. What is a vertex? It's a corner. I'm looking for ones that have 4 corners, 4 vertices. I found it. Is that the answer? Wait. Don't choose your answer until you check all the shapes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Good thing I didn't pick the first one because I need to check all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices again. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have 4 vertices. See why it's important that you check all your answers? Second, this says I'm a special kind of rectangle because all my sides are the same length. Wait a minute. I thought that rectangles had 2 short sides and 2 long sides, but this says that sometimes a rectangle has all sides the same. Well, do you see a rectangle here that has all 4 sides the same? Here's a short and a short, and a long and a long. Do you see that I put 1 line for the short and 2 lines for the long? Here's a short and a short, and a long and a long. I'm looking for one that have all the same size. Here's, oh, is this one longer? then this, no, that looks like it's the same. And this one looks like it's the same too. And this one also looks like this one looks like it has all the same sides. Should I choose it? Put a little dot next to it if you think that's the right answer. Come back to it. Because this one is short sides and this is long sides. They're telling me that this square is also a rectangle? Oh, I get it. It's like if I was drawing a picture for you. These are from my quints last week. Oh, I get it. It's like if I was drawing a picture for you and I was drawing like a, you know what this is? It's a strawberry, right? And you know what this is? It's an apple, right? And you know what this is? It's a tree. And if I said to you, circle the fruit, well, fruit can look different ways. And rectangles can look different ways too. Rectangles can be long, or they can also be square. A rectangle and a square. A rectangle just means it has 4 sides. That's an important lesson for us to learn. Very important. Guess what you get to do now? You get to get a piece of paper. You get to fold it 2 times. 1, 2. When you open it up, you have 4 boxes. And we're going to label them 6, 7, 8, and 9. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, I'm going to give you a clue. You're going to look right here at these 4 shapes, and I'm going to give you a clue, and then you're going to draw the shape in box number 1. You ready for this? Okay. Box number 1, box number 6. Box number 6. All of my sides are not the same. So look at these 4 shapes and look for a shape that has the same sides, because that one is wrong. That one's no. So you have to think not that one, right? You could even draw them here like this. You could draw this, and 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 then you can cross off the one that has the same, all same sides. In fact, I think we should do that. Then cross off the one that has all 4 same sides. Then find the one that has 3 vertices. Circle the shape that has 3 vertices. Whoops. I dropped my phone. Number 7. Ready for number 7? Number 7, we're going to draw a triangle. We're going to draw a rectangle. We're going to draw another rectangle, but it has all same sides, so it's also called a square. And we're going to draw a circle. Ready? Here's your clues. I have 4 sides. Look at the ones that do not have 4. Cross those off. I am the same shape as a classroom door. Is one of these the shape of a door? Circle the one that matches the clues. Then let's do number 8. Number 8 says, ooh, you have to listen and draw the shape. Number 8 says, draw the shape. I have more than 3 sides, and the number of vertices I have is less than 5. All of my sides are the same. They are the same. 4 sides, less than 5 vertices, and all my sides are the same. Draw the shape here. And then go to number 9. Can you please think of a shape that is not a square and not a rectangle, but does have 4 vertices? Draw a shape here. Not a rectangle, not a square, but it has 4 vertices. I'll give you a hint. We did not practice one of these shapes today. You're gonna have to think really hard, and maybe it will be, maybe you can't think of one. That's okay. Your other friends on the videos, you can check their videos and see if they thought of one. But what is a shape that has 4 sides, 4 vertices, but is not a square and not a rectangle? Okay, thanks for coming by. And let me see those videos, okay? Because I love seeing the kind of work you do when you're home. Miss you.